okay, we want to add some nice pretty clouds. So we're going to do Shift A. And again, we're going to use metaball, go to ball, G, S, just scale it down real quick. And just very quickly, what we can do is Shift D, and we can just make a very basic cloud type shape. So let's just kind of scale it down a little bit. And that looks good. Okay, so now we're going to do a new material. We're going to delete this guy, Shift A, search. We're going to search for emission. Connect emission to the surface right here. Shift A, search. We want to search for a texture coordinate. Shift A, search. We want to search for mapping. Shift A, search. We want to search for normal. Okay. The normal, we're going to connect to normal, and then normal, we're going to connect to rotation, and then vector to normal. Shift A, search. We're going to search for color ramp. Connect this to here, and then connect the color to here. Okay, and now let's go into render view to kind of see what this looks like. So as you can see, it's a very pretty cloud. Now what we want to do is, this is a nice blue color. So let's just make it really white. So the blue is what's going to give the illusion. Okay. And then of course, let's make the sky real quick. Let's do strength 1. Just nice cyan blue. And let's just make this guy a little darker. And there we go. Now we have a nice, pretty cloud, just like that. Thank you for watching.